Department of Zoology was established in the year 1957, and since then the Natural Science Association is very active. And Natural Science Association is an important part of the Zoology Department. It is the backbone of the department, and this year Dr. Jaishankar is coordinating the association, and we have done maximum activities during this year. And this association gives ample opportunity for the natural science students and other students to take part in all the activities, thereby increasing their talents.
This academic year has been highly successful with numerous milestones accomplished in the history of the Natural Science Association. The inauguration of this year's Natural Science Association activities was held on July 2nd, and the chief guest was Colonel Dr. Nawaz from People for Animals. NSA has actively involved in various activities, from launching programs, having field visits, conducting academic workshops and seminars this academic year. We have launched 3 important programs: the Zoo Talks, Budding Scholar, and BioFuture. Zoo Talks were intended to call experts from various fields related to zoology, wildlife biology, to sensitize our students on research, the current trends of their field of expertise. The first Zoo Talk was delivered by Ms. Sana from Arusha, who spoke on Asian elephant corridors. The second Zoo Talk was by Mr. Deepak, who spoke on the field ecology of frogs. We took part in the plantation drive at the Turahalli Forest Range, wherein plant saplings were planted by NSA volunteers. We also actively took part in the Wildlife Walkathon organized by the Karnataka Forest Department on October 2nd as part of the Wildlife Week celebrations. We were also active in creating and making awareness about wealth from waste using discarded plastic bottles, making Christmas tree out of such bottles in the Richmond Park here. We were also active to take part in birding that happens regularly in Lal Bagh. We associated with the ornithologists and bird watchers there to have a glimpse of how actually birding happens. We have also took part this academic year in various field workshops. The Wildlife Think Tank organized at Arusha Field Study Center to give a glimpse and a hands-on experience on different tools and equipments that are used in wildlife biology, including camera traps. We also, in the initiative that the college is involved to propagate knowledge and information to urban and rural kids, actively took part in the Tackle Fest. Different stalls within the department laboratories were organized, conveying information about biodiversity, human evolution, anatomy and physiology, and also developmental biology. NSA volunteers actively took part, conveying information and propagating knowledge to those kids during these interactions in the Tackle Fest. In collaboration with our MOU partner, Arusha India, we have organized documentary screening on driving elephants. In association with Arusha, we have also organized a national seminar on wildlife biology. To count in terms of the academic reach that we have conducted, we have organized 3 lecture workshops. One, the pollinator workshop on diversity, conservation and sustainable use of pollinators. This was organized in association with the Indian Science Congress Association of the Bangalore chapter. Our commitment to propagating the concept was so involved that the songs from Kannada movie Water, Hoove Hoove, and dance based on the Hindi song Bumburo were part of the cultural program. The second lecture workshop was in collaboration with the renowned Indian Academy of Sciences, and it was named Resonance 25 to commemorate the Silver Jubilee 25 years of the science journal Resonance. The third workshop that we organized from the National Science Association was the Ignatian Lecture Series 4.0, the 4th in line conducted by the Department of Zoology. This time it was themed Biocontrol Agents. Again, another big collaboration with NBAIR to speak on the use and importance of biocontrol agents. These are the milestones that were accomplished by the Natural Science Association by the active participation of volunteers. It would not have been possible in organizing, in running every detail of these programs, in campaigning and propagating, getting people to attend, and make a smooth show of all this could not have happened without the support of the faculty from the department, the office bearers of this academic year. Thanks to each one of you. We have set target this academic year. As I said, so many events, first time in the history of Natural Science Association. The target for this academic year should be the target to cross the next academic year. Thank you, one and all.
I hope this association has helped the students in the past and it will continue to help the students in the future. I wish all the NSA office bearers all the best.